this video, and in the next few videos we will go over the Primavera. So let me start sharing the screen. So for class, go to part number 1. You see lesson 9 and 10. We already did the Microsoft project, and now Primavera with the same problem we practiced. So when you start, I assume you already have Primavera in your laptop. Otherwise, go to the this lesson, Primavera 6 for CM student, and you can click on the download site, sign in. All of you already need to get the Oracle agreement that I handed in class. If you have any issue how to download and install standalone version, you can go to this YouTube video. It's very helpful to see that one there. This link also available in the project site. Go to home, go to project, you will see that one as well. You can be able to use the App Anywhere in FGCU, App Anywhere. And this need to be on campus, using the internet on campus. You can use that. And then you can search. Sometimes they say need validation. You see validation in progress in the field. You have to click and open to validate. So this Primavera. So that one here. So need validation. So when you say here, you can validate. So we are currently validating you, please wait. So be patient on that when they validate. So that is one way to use Primavera, but most advisable is you go to here, download if you are in the, you have a PC laptop run with Windows. Otherwise, you can use this with the virtual lab. And you can see Mac user, you can use virtual lab for that. However, for this case, I already have, and I assume most of you will be, have the Primavera in your PC laptop. So with that one, we can go to Start window, go to O, Oracle. You see Oracle here, and select, you know, there are many, but you select the whatever version you download. The most version now is 22. I have 2 versions in here, 20, 22, but I select this 22. So P6 Professional, click there. And the pop come up, admin. The password is whatever admin you have. But if you use the App Anywhere, and you can see they say fail, so you can retry. And when you see that fail here, for the Apps Anywhere, they say retry, you have to open the Apps Anywhere launcher. You see my fail, right? Some of you will see that. So open App Anywhere launcher, it show it in there. So they will validate it, take some time. And now you see now it, instead of need validation, now that you can launch. So click launch, you can go here, more information, you can see the more information. When you click and use log in with the Apps Anywhere, the username is admin and password is FGCU_user1 F capital. Okay, so that what you have. If you go to information, you can see that log in, so you don't have to memorize the password and username. Now let's get back to the Primavera. Here, the password in your computer is it's up to you to make your own password when you install Primavera. So, but if you use the Apps Anywhere, it have to be follow the username is admin and password is fgcu_user1, F capital. So connect here. So Oracle running, and they have that enterprise with different industry. E&C stand for engineering, construction, energy services, manufacturing, production development, etc. If you want to choose your preference, you go to admin, reference, select industry, and select the engineering and construction, where is the industry that we are all of us in here. So now we want to create a new project. You see many projects available. If you want to test out, you can use city center office building. You can open it up by this is already database available on that. So you can select that, and you see the open here, open, and select open city center office building, open it. So you can see that that project, the project. Okay, if you want to close, so you can close that project. Our task is to create a new project. Create a new project. So you see the bottom left here have a folder with the plus, so new, or you can go to 5. You can make a new, right? So either way, so new, and it will show up a new tab. Select EPS, Enterprise Project System. Can drop down instead of all initiative. You can select E&C, it means engineering and construction. Add in, so it will be shown in there. You say next, project ID. You can say the whatever this class here, construction planning control. And problem number 1. So you say that 01. For example, project name. Problem 1. Problem 1, that is the problem we are going to do. The project start date, you can select, for example, March 1st. That's the start date of March 1st. Then select, so March 1st. Don't put the must finish by unless you have E&C, standard rate, and then you can finish. And you see now, if you put E&C, the CPC, construction planning control 01 in here, and the project name is problem 1 there. And now you want to open that project. This is the one of the portfolio project in the system. Now you only want to work on this project, so you can select here, select that one, and select the folder with the open, and now a new tab comes. Select whatever project you want. Here I have CPC 01, click open, and now a new tab activity, and you see that CPC 01, and we don't have anything in there yet. Okay, so we want to work on the same problem we did in Microsoft project and hand calculation to this project. 10 activities, and we already know that it's 68 days with total float and free float. I rearrange this activity a little bit in here. So I put activity ABC with immobilization, site clearance, excavation, and then I move the last activity, which is backfilling, also on that, and I group that is earthwork, right? So that is earthwork problem, earthwork under here. So just like a work breakdown structure, thing that we did. So create all of this activity earthwork, and then the concrete work for footing is D to I, that is all the concrete work. So that they have 2 branches, earthwork and concrete work. So that here you can save. Now, how to create that? First, you create a skeleton for the project, and in this case, on the schedule. In this case, we do the work breakdown structure. So yes, foundation construction, including 2 branch, earthwork and concrete work. And then under earthwork, we have 4 activities. on your screen. And also under footing concrete work, we have 1 to 6 activity and shown in here. So how we can put that in Primavera? So let's go to here. You have activity. First, you need to create a skeleton. It means the work breakdown structure. So from there, you can go to the left to see the 2 square, blue square in, call it WBS, click on that. Then you see another tab come on top here, WBS. In WBS, I want to have 2 group, earthwork and footing concrete work. So you can do the same in here, add, right click and add, or in the bottom right, the top right, you see the add button, you can click in there. So either in here, right click, click add, or bottom on the top right, you have that add button. So I put add here, and that I say that is CPC 01. Okay, that is A. Okay, so maybe confused to get the earthwork. So I have WE, and the name is earthwork. And then the second is the bold here, footing concrete work. So I can do the same, right click. And if you do it here, let's show it here. If you do it here, it's below the earthwork, but that's not what we want. So you can delete this. It should be below the CP, the whole project, not the earthwork for the concrete. Right? So you can, if you accidentally, mistakenly add something, you can right click and delete that. Yes, delete. So I move my mouse, the green highlight on the CPC1, and I add another. It means that is concrete work, CW, and I say that is the 14 concrete work. Okay, so 14 concrete work. So that is the create a work breakdown structure. Now go to this is the tab. If you go to the activity on top here, or you can on the left side, you can see the green bar, that is activity. It will show up there, that is work breakdown structure. Everyone good? So that just the skeleton. In the next video, I will show you how to add activity and schedule in this one.